How you can make $1,000 a day with free AI tools. Step-by-step system. Make money while you sleep. Want to know how you can make over $1,000 every single day using completely free AI tools? I'm Shija, and today I'm revealing my exact system. No courses, no BS, just real results you can copy starting right now. I'm Shija, and today I'm revealing my exact system. No courses, no BS, just real results you can copy starting right now. Step 1. We use DeepSeek AI. It's like ChatGPT, but 100% free. This will be our content creation machine. Step 2. Find affiliate programs with free trials. This high-level and Systeme.io link alone can make you $145,000 just by sending people to their free trial. Meet Systeme.io, the all-in-one business tool that lets you build beautiful websites, automate your marketing, and grow your online business without needing any tech skills. Start by creating a sales funnel, a step-by-step customer journey that takes a visitor from curious to committed. Systeme.io lets you easily design each page using a drag-and-drop editor. Add images, videos, contact forms, and call-to-action buttons in minutes. No coding, no developers. Just you and your business vision want to capture leads and follow up automatically? Systeme.io's email marketing lets you create automated email sequences that nurture prospects. Example sequence. Email. 1. Thanks for downloading our solar guide. Email. 2. Top 3 mistakes to avoid when buying solar kits. Email chapter 3. Get a personalized quote. Limited time offer. Sell your solar kits, offer consultations, or give away a free load-shedding survival guide, all from one platform. Systeme.io handles payments, lead delivery, even affiliate tracking if you're growing a team. Want to educate your audience? Create a members-only area for customers or run a blog to drive SEO traffic. Idea: post how-to videos, solar installation guides, or customer success stories. Track everything in real time. See how many leads you've captured, which emails get opened, and where your conversions are coming from. Dashboard shows stats: 500 visitors, 82 leads, 7 sales. Whether you're launching your first product or scaling your renewable energy empire, Systeme.io gives you everything you need to succeed. Start for free. Launch in days. Grow for life with Systeme.io. Step 3. Build simple funnels. This one took me 5 minutes and runs 24/7 collecting leads and sales for me. Pro tip: use tools like Spotter to find viral content ideas, then use AI to remake them fast. I'll show you how in our free training. Want my free checklist and training? Comment AI below and join us at Discord, where we post daily wins. See you there! Free checklist, Technica resources.